I'd like to wish you all top of the morning. And we are at the opening of the bell. And it is Monday morning, August let's see what date it is. August the 19th, 2024. And the bell has just rung not too long ago. And it looks like we are struggling to get past the resistance line this morning. Stock seems to be down $25. Uh, and so this is going to be kind of a weak start, but still it is a start. And it is up already by $50. And I'd like to welcome you guys back to Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. And as you can see, she's going back and forth a little bit this morning between 27,900 and 28,000. So it's going to be a slow start this morning. Or at least it's not crashing. So let's look at see what's going on. It's a lot of red in the options in my options section. Yeah, so the options are down this morning. And they look like the standard equity trading. It's a lot of green in it this morning. So like I always tell you guys, option trading is it's a whole nother level of trading. It's a more advanced level of trading. But once you learn it, you can be very, very profitable by doing option trading, screen trading, or day trading. But doing such trades which requires your full attention. So actually doing option trading or day trading or swing trading, it's like having a business on your own. So you can't do this and if you don't have the time to attend to it. For it is a full-time business. Yet it doesn't take 8 hours to trade. You can trade it and be in and out of a position and make a profit within a couple of hours or after the market has opened. And that's the one good thing about trading in the market, especially option trading and day trading. And you can make a same amount, if not more, more money than you would make on a particular job. But the first thing you have to do is learn how to invest in the market. If you're going to do swing trading, option trading, or day trading, you need to invest in yourself and educate yourself. That way, you know what you are actually are doing. I see a lot of you fall for that WhatsApp scam type thing, the way you want to trade, do a trade with some other guru. You just simply copying his trades. See, a lot of people are doing that kind of stuff. And the only thing about that is, if that guy was to stop trading on WhatsApps or whatever platform that he's using, then you will be messed up because you never really took time to actually learn how to trade. You just simply copying off somebody. And so, in a sense, when you do stuff like that, you are putting your financial life into someone else's hand because you didn't take time uh, to invest in yourself and to learn how to properly trade in the market. And like anything else that you have learned in life, you can learn how to uh, do swing trading, option trading, or day trading. It's just a matter of time, and you're building up your experience, education, and confidence. Confidence to be able to uh, have a strategy and actually to move on that strategy. But not only to move on that strategy, but to know what you are doing. And that comes with time. The more strategies to make, the more confidence confidently you grow, and the more experience you have, the more education you have, also cause you to have more confidence in your ability to trade in the market. Swing trading, day trading, option trading are more riskier than standard trading. Standard trading, you can trade in the market, or you could just simply buy a stock and just sit on it and watch it go up in value over a period of time. So what swing trading, option trading, day trading actually requires your full attention at the moment. But the thing about trading options is that it doesn't take the whole day to trade. You can trade and make yourself a profit and be done within an hour or two of the market opening. And it can also replace the income, or it could be a second income, but it could replace the income from your present day job. Especially if you're new like me, new to the retirement world. I'm new to the retirement community, so but I have always been doing. I have always been trading in the market. I have been trading in the market now for over 10 years, and I was in my early 50s when I started, and so now I am in my early 60s, and so I'm retired, and this is a full-time business uh, for me, and it beats sitting around and collecting retirement checks or Social Security. I have 100% control over my financial life by trading in the market, and I have learned and I had educated myself uh, on how to do option trading, swing trading, and day trading. So I do a little bit of I do a little of it all. As you can see, the market has come alive, and my portfolio now is up by $400. So hopefully she will continue to gain traction, and I could get rid of this high risk monitoring call that I seem to be at risk of. Uh, I could simply get rid of this just by depositing $700, or either selling 700 particular shares in my portfolio. That would get rid of that. So we're gonna wait and see what the portfolios are going to do for the day. Hopefully she'll go up in value enough to where to get rid of this margin warning call. And I have a pending options strategy here in Apple. I actually did a put for Apple, which ends at the end of the month. Uh, I actually did a put that it would go down to striking point of 225, and it hasn't been accepted yet. Look at the put detail. Okay, the put detail on this particular stock here is 323 mark price with a previous close of 285, high 345, low 305. Have a volume has a volume of 767. Chance of profit is 34%, and it has almost 2,600 other contractors that are interested in this particular strategy. It has a 21.51% of volatility. The delta is 48%. And so the date is set for August the 30th. So I believe that it's going to go down to 225. And actually, if it go down to 225, it would actually be into the money. And so this is the particular trade that I had put is a buy put. The difference in buy put and a call put is a buy put means that you're buying a position within a particular market strategy. A sell put, either sell call means that you actually owns 100 shares of that particular stock. You are more profitable when you do a sale than to buy, simply because you own that the 100 shares of that particular company. So it is yours to do with what you would want to do with it. Whether you are selling a put, selling a call, so you can actually make yourself a great income simply by selling puts and selling calls. But first, you have to own 100 shares of that particular stock that you're going to be selling. And that's the only thing about that, is that it takes time for you to sometimes be able to get into the position. Maybe you have to start off slow in order to get 100 shares of that particular stock. Because 100 shares of, say, Apple, man, Apple is trading at $224.79. So if you multiply that times 100, and that would be a significant amount of money, probably around the top of my head, probably around be 20 or maybe even 30 some $1,000 that you actually need in order to own 100 shares. So, I know a lot of us don't have that kind of money. I know I don't. In order to buy 100 shares of a particular stock. So that's why you have option trading and day trading. Uh, it eliminates high price of a stock. You won't have to pay quite as much for a particular strategy that you're interested in if you learn how to do option trading. And some of the stocks has turned green this morning, but we're still seeing quite a few red. And as we move closer to the 28th of the month, which is the day that the NVIDIA earnings report will come out, and everybody is expecting that NVIDIA will do better than expected, and the whole market as a whole is looking at the NVIDIA to do well. It's going to basically probably carry the market on its back. And along with the other high tech companies. So you need to have the NVIDIA in your portfolio, and NVIDIA is a part of the Magnificent Seven. So you need to have NVIDIA in your portfolio, along with the S&P/Y, which is the S&P 500, and adding to that Chipotle and also Broadcom, having those um, different options in your portfolio. I mean, trades in your portfolio it would be a tremendous, wonderful opportunity to grow your portfolio even further. Now, for those of you that doesn't really have a whole lot of money to invest, you can invest in like penny stocks that's not really high up on value, like Fubu TV. Fubu TV right now is trading at $1.98 a share. So it would be easy to own 100 shares of this particular stock because the value of it right now is really low, and you can actually make a profit from this little stock here, even if it went up in value to like 15 or 26, $50 a share. And right now would be a good time to get in on this particular stock, but simply because it's so low in value. Right now I have 15 shares of it. But we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till my stock actually goes up in value a little bit more today, and maybe I'll buy me some more of this Fubu TV. Like I said, this is a wonderful stock to have because the value of it is so low. So it does not cost you so much money to own all of the stocks, and stock this low. Stock this low, it don't have no way else to go back but up. And so this would be a time now to get in on such a stock, and once it goes up in value. Well, man, this stock here goes up to $20 or $50 or $100. Just think about how much of profit you been made off this particular stock. This is what you call one of the penny stocks. And Fubu actually is engaged in providing subscriptions to sports, news, and entertainment content. It offers service through streaming device and on television, mobile phones, tablets, and computers. This company was founded by David Granddaughter, and it was started in February 20, 2009, and its headquarters is out of New York City, New York. Like I said, they have 530 employees, and they got 44.5% that has bought into it. This is the nine analysis rating of it, and it has 44.4% on hold. And this is a good stocks that we are looking at, and I invested in it over the weekend. And it, like I said, doesn't really cost that much money right now to buy yourself and put this particular stock here in your portfolio. You can buy 100 shares of this right now. It only costs you a little over $100. Uh, so, so let's see. Yeah, that's right. So if I bought 100, about 100 shares. Okay, it'll cost $200. And so you a little stock like this, man, you could buy a stock like this, man, load up on it all day, and wait for it to go up in value, uh, and then sell it, sell some of it, and make yourself a nice little income from it. It's more easy to do that with low value stocks like that, and watch them go up in value than a stock like Apple. If you did that to Apple, man, you had to come up with a whole lot of money. Let's look at Apple right quick and see. Here's Apple. Apple's down today. See, Apple's $224 and 50 some cents. So if you want to buy 100 shares of Apple, it will cost you $22,451 in order to buy this particular, in order to buy 100 shares of this stock. And this is a stock that I couldn't afford. I couldn't afford to buy 100. So if you bought 10, that still would cost you over $2,000. And if you bought one, it would cost you $224. So and these are individual stocks. So if you don't have money to buy such stock like this, you can do fractional shares. fractional shares is like pennies on the dollar. So instead of paying that much money uh, to get into a stock, you can actually get into that particular stock, or you own that stock for as little as uh, 5, 10, 15, $20. Or you can just simply just go to the S&P, which is the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 has all kinds of stocks like this already in it. You just invest into the S&P 500. Even the S&P 500 is going up a whole lot in value too. So right now, if you was to invest and get a whole share of S&P 500, it would cost you $555, unless you just did a fractional trade. If you did a fractional trade, you just click on buy. Then you go up here to where it says share, and you just simply switch it to dollars. And this is what you call a fractional share. You can do the $5, $10, $20. Just depends on how much money that you have available, and then you can build up your portfolio over time simply by doing fractional shares as well. And right now, the my portfolio is up this morning by $363. And so she's struggling to climb, so I'm not going to be buying anything just yet this morning. I had to wait until she gets some value on it, trying to prevent a margin call. And so I just wait. Hopefully, she get up into the thousands today of gains. And if not, then we can always wait to after hours or wait till tomorrow's trading. And you are listening to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru, and I'm your host, John Chad. And we are at the opening of the bell this morning. This particular this particular strategy has not been accepted yet. So it has to the end of the day in order to be accepted. Actually, I'm thinking about canceling this. Uh, if it's not enforced by the end of the day, then it will be canceled and placed back into my portfolio. In fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this. And okay, and so it gives me a buying power now of a little over $1,100 by simply canceling that strategy. Still need another $600 to prevent a margin call. And for some reason or another, the market is struggling to maintain a positive climb this morning. And like I said before, I don't think that means it's going to be a more of a buying day, buying stocks. It means that the market is on sale, so you can buy. You buy in the red, and you take profit in the green, and then that maximize your potential profit. And so let's close that out and look at this ROI app. Like I said, ROI app is a great app to have with your investment portfolio. So let's look at it this morning. Okay, and as you can see, my net worth is down this morning by $1,500. And that's the thing about having this particular app. It actually measures it gives you a better measurement of your portfolio. Whether you are using Robinhood or either Weibo or Momo, this particular app goes well with those platforms, and it measures your overall net worth in the at that particular stock platform. Right now, I have 172 stocks holding, which is valued at $89,000. And I have ETFs. I have 31 holding ETFs, which is valued over 5,000. I have 20 option trade, which is valued at 22, almost 23. Crypto, I just have one crypto. And this app measures your your net worth in that particular trading platform. And because see, Robinhood does not do all this. Robinhood, if you have Robinhood account, it does not give you an overall measurement of your net worth. But this particular app, it goes way up with Robinhood and with Moomoo and Weibo, and it can give you a more of an outline of what your particular stock is doing or your portfolio, what your portfolio is doing for the day. And it gives you, and it tells you everything what you have did within the year. Gives you a whole outline what you have done in the year, your profits and your losses. Gives you the amount of fees that you have paid, and your dividend, your projected earnings with dividends for the year. It gives you all that. And you can also trade like your favorite stock market investor. Like Warren Buffett, you can trade like with Warren Buffett or Michael Burrow, either Nancy Pelosi, even your Congress. All these people also trade and they also invest in the market. Even Kramer, and you just simply look and see what he got right now. Kramer, I don't think he's having his portfolio. It's the S&P Y. That's the S&P 500. So he's actually 100% invested into the S&P 500. Why he's 100% just into that, I don't even know. But like I said, everything and everybody is in the S&P 500. So instead of doing individual trades, he just invests all his money into the S&P 500. He's playing it. He's playing it safe. That's what that is. And if you're not familiar, don't have confidence to invest in individual stocks, then yeah, the S&P 500 would be a good move for you also. And if you want to invest like what he's investing in, you just simply click on invest. Then you enter the amount that you want to invest, and it will be sent to your platform. Right now, I'm not going to invest in anything. I'm trying to let's see. Let's click on Michael here. He's up today by $11.99. So if I wanted to invest, I can simply hit invest, and I would simply hit whatever the amount of money that I want to invest. I have a little over $1,100 to invest if I wanted to invest, but right now he has seven positions that he's investing in, which one include Alibaba. Alibaba, I think it's a Chinese company. Alibaba is like Walmart of the Asian world, as Walmart is to us here in America. And you have Shift 4 payments. I don't know what that is. And you have healthcare. You got JD. And these are the companies that this particular guy is invested in. Not too many of them. And it also gives you the percentage of what he has invested in each portfolio, each share. We're going to be backing out of this and taking another temperature check of the portfolio this morning. Then we're going to close out this video for today and see what she does, of the kind of profit she brings in this evening and the evening video. And as you can see, my portfolio is up this morning, a little over $28,000. That's a slight positive gain than what it was when we first started. But like I said, we are eagerly anticipating the earnings report, the visitor, which will be on the 28th. And we have a few other companies that are going to be reporting earnings calls this week, such as Target and a lot of other retails. So if you guys are into some of your favorite retailers like Target or Walmart and so forth, you can also invest in them and their stocks. McDonald's, Burger King, a lot of them out there for you to be investing. But we're gonna close out this video, and hopefully you guys have a wonderful, good day in trading. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully we might come back this evening for an evening video. If not, then we will see you guys in the next one, which is be Tuesday morning. Top of the morning to you, and may you have a blessed, wonderful trading day. And this is WealthWise Guru with your host John Shaft. As you guys hit the like button on your way out, and we'll see you guys again in the next video upload. We thank you for watching.
Trading teaches you discipline the hard way. If you can't control your emotions and stick to your trading plan, then mark my words. The market will chew you up and spit you out. It doesn't care about your dreams or your excuses. It only respects those who have the courage to confront its challenges and come out on top. Toughen up and show the market who's boss. Remember, in this unforgiving world of trading, it's adapt or get wrecked. The choice is yours.